Greetings all and welcome. We are going on a little exploring adventure here today. Possibly going to find a campsite up on Mt Lemmon here near Tucson, Arizona. It's my first time going up Mt Lemmon. I've been in the area many times in the past, just never taken the time. There are some dispersed camping opportunities, but most of those roads are closed in the winter until the middle of March or middle of April. But there are some U.S. Forest Service campgrounds that are open year-round. So we're probably going to check out a couple of those and potentially camp for a night or two. But otherwise, going to just be doing some exploring, go up as far as we can on the mountain, do a hike, and just overall check out the whole area. It is a Sunday today, and there are a lot of cyclists out. It looks like cycling up Mt Lemmon is a thing. A ton of cyclists, so just being mindful of them, giving them plenty of room when I pass. So we'll see how this goes. So far we're just getting to the base of the mountains here, and there are a lot of saguaro cactus. Very scenic. This is going to be cool. So I guess this is where we say away we go. Past the 7,000 feet elevation marker. Still climbing. That's really cooled off. Nice. Well, we are out doing a little hiking, exploring. We parked the vans. We are at about 8,300 feet. It is nice and cool up here. It's going to be 92, like I mentioned that a few times already when we were camped this morning. So yeah, I think we're going to spend the night or two up here in the mountains. Looks like there's some potential spots, and this dirt road's supposed to open up, I think, tomorrow. So we're going to stick it out. Not much snow, but there is a little bit. We'll give you a shot here, but very nice in the trees. Just a little bit of snow left up here, not much. Surprised there's not more. Must have been pretty warm up here. Hey, snowball. It's too slushy. Well, today is departure day from our Mt Lemmon excursion here up above Tucson, Arizona. We came up here hopefully to camp down this road, but the gates are still closed. There are signs saying that they open on March 1st, but today is March, I believe, 4th. and they haven't opened them yet, so we're giving up. We're going to move on. It has cooled down in the valley. Temps have dropped. It's actually going to get a little chilly up here down into below freezing temps. So we had a nice time, other than a little bit of elevation sickness. Kelly was sick as a dog all night, our first night here, just puking her guts out. She gets that at higher elevation until she gets acclimated. So I was able to get out on a couple hikes. So yeah, it was just a place to escape the heat for a little bit. We're really hoping. There are some great campsites behind this gate, but they're just delaying the opening this season. So we're gonna get on the road and see what else we can find. Adventure continues. Well, greetings all and welcome. We're out here hitting the back roads once again, finishing up my this will probably be the last camp here in southern Arizona. Just out scouting for a camp. This is an area I've camped before. Last time I camped here, I was with Kelly and Hobbs, the dog we were traveling with. We had a very nice stay here. Found a really neat camp, so I'm gonna go check and see if it's occupied. It's a really nice camp, so I won't be surprised if it is occupied, but there should be some backup options here in the area. It's getting to that point where I've got to start moving north. So again, this will probably be the last camp in southern Arizona before I start moving north through the state. Probably going to dip into Utah soon and see where I go from there. This was the camp I was hoping for, and it is not occupied. Awesome. We're gonna go snag this, probably camp here for a night or two. Reflect on the good times we had with Hobbs. He was a good dog. He took to traveling pretty well. It was a big adjustment for him, but yeah, we're gonna see if we can both squeeze in here. Kelly's in town working for a little bit, a few more hours, and she's gonna come out here and join me. Yeah, I remember this spot. It was super nice. We'll get leveled out here and give you a little look around. Oh, it is a beautiful day. It's so nice to get a little relief from the heat. We had some pretty warm days there. So yeah, I'll show you the spot here. We're kind of nestled in these big saguaro cactuses amongst the palo verde trees, some beaver tail or prickly pear cactus. Nice healthy green creosote flowering out here as we enter into spring. So yeah, I think we'll call this camp for a night or possibly two. Just perched up here. I'm gonna have to try to level out a little bit better, but give you a view of these mountains we're right in front of here. Okay, gonna use the charcoal grill tonight, grill up dinner. The grill's set up real quick. So I like this grill. Folds up so compact, sets up so quick. I always get questions on what grill this is. This is by, I always try to show the name, but I still get questions. Fox Outfitters. You can just Google charcoal fold up grill. It should pop right up. Same grill is branded under a lot of different names, but I got the Fox Outfitters one. This is the small one. They make a next size up. It's the same width, but a little bit longer. This is really perfect for one, but for two people, it's pretty tight if you're going to fit a few things on there. So. Okay, it is grill time. It's still a little breezy, but I think we're going to be okay here. Use a cast iron skillet. Keeps the heat in there. Oh, that is looking pretty good. It's just about ready to come off there. minute or so. Okay, this chicken is ready to come off. Got this insulated bowl. I'm going to try to keep these warm in. And then I've got some marinated asparagus I'm going to put on there. Okay, next up I've got some marinated fresh asparagus. Soak this in Aloha soy sauce and chili crisp. I was going to grill this up yesterday evening, but it was so windy at camp. Didn't want to get the grill out, so these have been marinating for over 24 hours. So hopefully they're not overly, I think they're going to be good. That Aloha soy sauce is kind of sweet, so I don't think it'll be too salty or anything. A little bit of that chili crisp oil. These are all going to fit on there. Might have to kind of stack them. We'll move them around as they cook. I think that'll fit. Yeah, perfect. Let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah. Oh, these are going to be good. Okay, I'm going to add some tomatoes here. See how those turn out. All right, add some grilled tomatoes. Okay, dinner is served. That is looking delicious. Everything smells really good. Tomatoes got nice and tender on the grill. Let's dig in and give it a shot. Yeah, I'm interested in trying one of these grilled tomatoes here. See how they turned out. If I can get it with a fork. Wow, that really brings out the flavor. Nice and tender. Try asparagus. See how the chicken turned out. Hopefully it's not overdone. It's a little overdone. It's a little dry. Not bad. I had it sitting in a bowl so the juice is collected, so I think I'm going to pour some of that juice on top of it, kind of moisten it up a little bit. But overall, pretty dang good.